It has come to my notice that some of us still do our studio background manipulation like as if we are in 90s. In 2025, you are still doing your studio background like as if you are in 90s. Now, I have bring you new idea of background manipulation. Open your Photoshop. So now, if you look at my Photoshop now you can see my Photoshop. What I have done here now, I've already do my background cleanup. I've already cleaned the background. You can see the before and you can see the after. See the before and see the after. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm just going to show you guys how you can do the background manipulation and still have it, like as if you take the picture on the background. You understand? So I'm just going to use I can use this background. I can use this background. So it depends on the kind of background I want to use. So I'm just going to paste it here. Then take it up a little like this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to size it. Size it on the background like this. Just like this. So like this is okay. You can see. So let's take this down a little. Okay, I think this is cool. This is cool. Our picture is not on the middle, so we are just we are just using this for practice. So what I'm going to do now is to change the blend mode. This blend mode panel is one of the powerful panel on this on this Photoshop. If you know how to use it properly, you can get something good when you are editing with this blending option panel. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to change the blend mode to the correct blend mode that can blend with the background properly. So I'm going to use overlay. After I use overlay, what thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to come to my layer, which is the one I remove my picture from. So I'm going to Ctrl J to cut new adjustment layer. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click Ctrl U. Yes, so what I'm going to do now, I want to remove let me say this blue color, which is our normal background color. I want to remove it from the new background we place on this picture. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the saturation. You can see after I reduce the saturation, I can take the brightness up, I can take the brightness down. Depend on how I want to edit it or how you want to edit it. So now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click OK. So that is all. You see? Now just see, you can see how this image is, the shadow is, see the shadow of the before. So see the shadow of the before, you see, and this is after. You can see how the shadow is looking real. This is not something that, after you do your editing, then you will now come back, trying to create shadow. You don't have to do that. With these techniques, you can edit your photo and you still get the natural shadow. So try these techniques and thank me later. See you guys on my next session.